Welcome back to my channel Code with Rathor. Today we'll explore the top 5 mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Have you ever struggled with broken layouts? You're not alone. Many beginners face challenges in web development. First, let's discuss messy HTML structure. A well-organized code is crucial because improper nesting leads to broken layouts. Always check your HTML tags and use proper indentation for clarity. Second, beginners often ignore responsive design. Skipping media queries results in poor mobile views. Always test your site on multiple devices and consider using CSS frameworks to ease the process. Third, many overlook the importance of browser compatibility. Not all browsers render websites the same way, so test your site on different browsers and use CSS resets to minimize discrepancies. Fourth, forgetting to validate code is common, and this can lead to unexpected errors. Use validation tools to check your HTML and CSS. It helps catch mistakes early. Finally, beginners frequently underestimate loading speed. Heavy images can slow down websites, so always optimize images before uploading and use compression tools for better performance. To summarize, focus on a clean HTML structure, ensure responsive design, test browser compatibility, validate your code, and optimize for speed. Ready to take your web development skills to the next level? Subscribe for more tips and tutorials. It's a frustrating experience when a web page looks completely different than you imagined, and many new developers encounter this when first diving into web design. Understanding some key principles can drastically improve your experience and the quality of your websites. These foundational elements are the backbone of successful web development, ensuring not only aesthetic appeal but also functionality across platforms. So, let's delve into these common pitfalls and explore effective strategies to overcome them. By doing so, you'll be on your way to creating clean, responsive, and user-friendly sites that resonate with your audience. One of the first mistakes beginners make is a messy HTML structure, which leads to chaotic layouts. Organizing your code might seem trivial, but it's vital for clarity and functionality. When HTML tags are not properly nested, elements may display incorrectly or not at all. Always check that each tag corresponds correctly and use consistent indentation throughout your code. This simple practice improves readability and prevents potential errors. Many beginners also neglect the significance of responsive design. Failing to implement media queries can result in websites that look fine on desktop but are nearly unusable on mobile devices. To avoid this, consistently test your designs across different screen sizes and orientations. Embracing CSS frameworks can simplify the process and enhance your site's responsiveness.